So this is the latest addition calculator to the calculator display in the Retro AV Tech Museum. See the link in the description for more information about that. So this calculator is a TEXET SL512. And it's solar power, and it has a battery, and it was made in 1988. There's some minor damage here and here, and the screen doesn't stay up, but yeah, it's still working. And you can go for decimal places, so more decimal places. And there you go. And then percentage, some buttons up here, not too really sure. And on the back, where the sunlight hasn't got to it, made in China. Some screws here, if one was to take it apart and replace the battery, but since 1988 I don't think that's been done, and it seems to be working fine. A worthy addition to the calculator display in the Retro Tech Museum.